I just yelled you in. Do your rap now. This is the man and where I like it was elastic.
What?
Go on. Please do it.
Thank you.
Please.
No.
Please.
No thanks. I am not.
Okay, I'll yo you in again. Yo. Yo. Yo.
I am not your fun toy.
Go on.
No.
So it's pretty early. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. Nearly. We're waiting for our train to take us to Berlin. It's a pretty nice station here. I spent €5 pretty wisely. I got like 6 packs of tissues and a coffee for €3.50. 3.5. €3.50. How many other ways can you say? 350 euro cents. Anyway, yo.
Catherine's sick.
Yo.
And that's why I'm not gonna rap. We are now on the train bound for Berlin.
Always wanted to go there.
Technically we're still at Amsterdam station, which is pretty cool.
Got them sniffles.
Poor Rennie's getting sick. It's no good. But such is life. How have you felt about Amsterdam?
I love it here. Not enough to move here, but I really enjoy visiting.
I want to move here, and I will see if I can.
By yourself?
We can discuss this later. Anyways, yeah, so now we're off to Berlin, and it's probably been like, I think it was 6 degrees last night, and it was freezing. It's supposed to be a high of 4 in Berlin, and a low of -1. So let's see if my warm weather...
some shopping for way on.
Yeah, I'm a little bit worried about my warm weather clothing, and don't think it's good enough. It should be great in San Diego, though.
So apparently we made it into Germany.
Welcome.
So far, I feel sick. How do you feel?
I feel good.
Okay. Here's the view, guys.
Wow.
Whoa. We're lucky we might see some locals. Here we go. Cool. It's beautiful outside. It's like performing view. And it's like in New Zealand in summer at like 7 p.m. The light is absolutely stunning. And it's so cool.
Come to Germany, they said. It'll be beautiful, they said.
People are so polite, they said. I haven't felt this patient since like England, London, England.
The town is like from
the town.
Yeah.
Are we just saying in a small town?
A village. Hello.
Hi.
Where are you?
In Berlin. Where are you?
Trying to get to the hotel. So let's do that.
Let's check it out. Las Vegas happened again. A lady came up to us and was just like, "Do you want to buy some tickets?" And I was like, "No, thank you." And my mum was like, "Yeah, no, sure. Yeah, okay." And I was like, "No, thank you." And he was like, "No, yeah, let's do it." And then as soon as we got to the station now, there's this massive sign like, "Only buy tickets from our ticketing machines. Do not buy them off ticketers. It is prohibited." 5 minutes.
It says, beware of tricksters. Anyways, this is our hotel. Yeah, let's get inside. Yeah. There's nothing.
This is really nice. It's really nice and big. I was like, well, can we try and get an upgrade, please? But after seeing this, that's fine.
Catherine was upset about the view.
Oh my god, there's a bathtub as well, but it looks like the toilet's separate again. But maybe not. This is not in a bad way though. Cool. So we made it to Berlin. I'm quite ready to do some, like,
Check it out.
hard out.
Wow.
Whoa, the wheezy waiter.
That's some fancy business.
I'm quite keen to do some intense relaxation tonight. It's like 4:30, 4:45. So maybe tonight's kind of a write-off. And then tomorrow we'll do some stuff.